So this is the cat show, all about cats, cats, and more cats. Yeah, in the car. Okay, so this cat named Snow is just minding his own business, eating food. These are all my cats. Yeah, they're cute. Yeah, they're eating chicken bones and stuff. And that is a very loyal cat who I just gave a pet. So I'm gonna go touch it. Oh, hey kitty, hey kitty. Aw, kitty, cute little kitty. Kitty. Okay, I'm done touching it. So now I'm gonna go touch that when it will run away immediately. But let's do it just for audience. Okay. That cat is now on live camera. I hope it's a fan of my channel. Because it's on live camera because it's cute. And that's my backyard. And that's a plant. That's a light. Okay, that's a tree. Now back to the cats. Alright, so that cat is about to go into the house because it is very scared. And this is the house. Yeah. Bug. I'm mosquito flew on the phone, on the camera. Alright, so this is the house that it will try to go under, and it's very deep under there. And this is a door. If you don't know what doors look like, which I don't know, I think you should by now. So that's a window. That's my garden. Alright, so back to the cats. Alright, so that cat's still just standing there, and this one's beautiful as ever. Good kitty. See, this one's very loyal. It likes getting pet. And loves getting scratchies. Yeah. And loves... Wait, hold up. What was that? To be honest, I actually don't know. But that cat. And that's corn. Alright. Bye.